Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video,
Articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. A and the. The definite article, the. A noun, one particular, definite thing. The definite article can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable nouns. The, if a noun refers to one particular thing or plural particular things. Example.
the result is very bad. The result is very bad. The exercises are really useful. The exercises are really useful. The lessons are very interesting. The lessons are very interesting. The video is so good. The video is so good. Please give me the book. Please give me the book. Please give me the red book. Please give me the red book.
The indefinite article, a, an, if a noun refers to a general idea, not a particular thing. The rule. The indefinite article is only for singular nouns. The indefinite article takes two forms. A, if a noun that begins with a consonant. An, if a noun that begins with a vowel. Example.
He's a doctor. He's a doctor. She's a teacher. She's a teacher. My mother has an idea. My mother has an idea. My father is an honest man. My father is an honest man.
The rule. When the first letter of a word is a vowel but is pronounced with a consonant sound, use a. Example.
She is a United States Senator. She is a United States Senator. It's an LSD display of the computer. It's an LCD display of the computer. A UK-based company do these things. A UK-based company do these things. I work in HR department. I work in HR department. A URL of my site. A URL of my site.
Article before an adjective. The usual word order. Article plus adjective plus noun. Example.
I want to read an interesting book. I want to read an interesting book. I know a strange story. I know a strange story. It's a new company. It's a new company.
The rule. Never to use indefinite articles a or an with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Intangible things, information, air, etc., liquids, milk, wine, etc. Things that are too large or numerous to count, equipment, sand, wood, etc. These things can't be counted. Never to use a or a with them. The indefinite article is only for singular nouns. But uncountable nouns can be modified by words like some, however. Example.
Please give me some water. Please give me some water. Please give me a bottle of water. Please give me a bottle of water. I want some tea. I want some tea. I want a cup of tea. I want a cup of tea.
Attention. Some nouns can be countable or uncountable, hair, noise, time, etc. It all depends on the context. Example.
We need light in this room. We need light in this room. We need some light in this room. We need some light in this room.
Using articles with pronouns. The rule. Articles not be used with pronouns. Possessive pronouns. his, my, our, its, her, their. Example.
Do you read my book? Do you read my book? Do you read the book? Do you read the book? Why do you make my job? Why do you make my job? Why do you make the job? Why do you make the job? She's making her mistakes. She's making her mistakes. She does the thing. She does the thing. She does this thing. She does this thing. She does these things. She does these things.
The omission of articles or zero article. Sometimes, articles are omitted altogether before certain nouns. This situation has the name a zero article. The rule. Without article, abstract ideas, languages, nationalities, sports, academic subjects. Example.
Let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight. I study French in school for 4 years. I study French in school for 4 years. I like to play baseball. I like to play baseball. My friend understands always good at math. My friend understands always good at math. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.